As each day begins at Vanderbilt, our team is ready for what lies ahead. From childcare professionals that help our kids grow to ground crews that make our Arboretum in Nashville beautiful year-round. To professionals from business, marketing, and finance that support students across the university. Hardworking people behind the scenes move more than just boxes. They move information, critical materials, and people so that everyone can thrive. Housekeeping standards of excellence ensures that our inside is as impressive as our outside. Culinary specialists feed us fresh and organic foods grown right here on campus. The Vanderbilt staff is a diverse team of individuals that embrace the importance of belonging, self-direction, collaboration, and growth to be the very best at what we do, including administrative staff that keep the entire university moving, on time, and the kindness flowing. Our work never stops, and as the sun sets on another day, we are still here, making a difference, doing things right, and bringing out the best in humanity. Our photographers, writers, and artists bring Vanderbilt to life and flow the spirit of fun through everything we do. Vanderbilt Athletics builds a bridge with our community, stirs our competitive spirit, and our Vandy pride. Our remarkable team of more than 3,000 professionals weave the many parts of our institution together. Together as one team, together as one brand, together as one community. We are Vanderbilt. Anchor down.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry I can't be with you in person. I'm actually in Destin, Florida today, working with my colleagues in the SEC to save college athletics one more time. But our staff appreciation assemblies are one of my favorite Vanderbilt traditions. As you know, the Board of Trust, Provost Braver, and the rest of Vanderbilt's leadership and I have an ambitious vision for our university. You've heard about some of it, and there is much more to come. As we work together to bring this vision to life, I am mindful every day that it would not be remotely possible without your long hours, your skills and expertise, your creativity, innovation, and capacity for problem solving, and especially your deep dedication to our students, our faculty, and our noble mission. Together, we are daring to grow with the aim of making Vanderbilt nothing less than the great American research university of the century with an impact that changes lives around the world. You are bringing that Vanderbilt to life. One supported student, one research project, one tended garden, one served meal, one online meeting, and one spotless classroom at a time. The work you do not only supports Vanderbilt, it strengthens higher education at a time when it is under pressure from what can seem like all sides at the same time. Even on the toughest days, there is no job I would rather have, and no place I'd rather be than at Vanderbilt, and at this moment in our history. And I hope you feel the same way. My congratulations to our staff award winners, and my sincere thanks to each of you for all you do for Vanderbilt and our community. Enjoy your time together.